In this video, I am going to be unboxing the Mine Coffee Solo Bitcoin Miner. I received a Mine Coffee Solo Bitcoin Miner from Bitcoin Merch, and I will walk through the whole process of unboxing it so you see what I actually received. I'll tell you what's very special about this unit. I'm actually really excited about it. And I'll give you the opportunity, if you want to get your own, a link and a special discount code you can use. But let's get into the whole process. So first thing is, this is the package I received from Bitcoin Merch. They always package these very, very securely and very safe. I actually love receiving merchandise from Bitcoin Merch because it's always beautifully packaged so that it doesn't get damaged. And I wanted to share with you some of that process. So right now, this thing is actually very, very tightly wrapped. Let's see what we got here. I guess I can open it from this side. Here we go. I'm gonna mess up some of the beautiful box in the process. So here we go. Opening up the side. Let's see what's in here. If we look at the inside, it's nicely packaged in shrink wrapped. I guess these are bubble wrap. So there's bubble wrapping, lots of bubble wrapping. Okay, what's the first thing I've got here? This is actually a 1,000 bolivares Venezuelan currency. They packaged 1,000 bolivares. This is practically worthless because the local currency has been so devalued. And I guess if I'm actually going to be mining Bitcoin, I'm mining sound money. And this is a great little touch from the guys at Bitcoin Merch. I've got the packaging of what's inside. Let's see what's here. We've got the shrink wrap, whatever this bubble wrap is here. Okay, so here is where the box is really nicely put together. So here's the packaging. I'm going to put away this box. So I've got some cool. I've got a Bitcoin toy coin, and I've got a sticker from Bitcoin Merch. What else is here? Okay, so let me take these out of the way. And what do we got? This is nicely plastic wrapped. Let me go ahead and cut into this so I can actually start removing some of this shrink wrapping on it. As I told you, they're very, very nicely packaged to make sure that nothing is damaged. Look at this. So here, Gecko Science. We're looking inside and more bubble wrap so nothing can get damaged. So here's bubble wrapping. Here's a USB cable so I can actually connect it. It's a USB-C to USB-C cable. I've got here a power supply. I assume this is probably what I'm going to use it to. Yes, so USB-C to USB-C. So I have a power supply included with this. I don't need to keep it connected to the internet. It will be connected via Wi-Fi, but I don't need to be plugged into a computer. Now this is the Mine Coffee Bitcoin Miner, and I want to talk a little bit about it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm taking out the plastic wrapping, and let me tell you about this unit. What's beautiful about this unit is that it is a Bitcoin miner. It can do up to 600 gigahashes in Bitcoin mining, but it also has a warmer where you can actually use it to warm your coffee, you can warm your tea. So the goal will be, once I have it fully set up, I'll be able to have it set up. And while I'm actually doing what I'm doing, I may be looking at a browser or I may be doing whatever I'm doing in my life, the device will be mining Bitcoin just like my other Bitcoin miners, but also it will be warming my coffee on this heated surface here. And I will be doing all that when I actually do the full setup of it, but I want to do the unboxing for you so you see what's inside when you receive it. So right now what I have is I have the device. I have also the power supply, which I have right here. Here's the brick. And then here's the cable so I can plug it into the wall and have it set up. One thing I want to say about this device is that many people call it the Main Coffee because of the way it's spelled. They spell it M-E-I-N coffee. But if you really know, the real purpose is that in German, you say Main Kaffee. Main is really said mine, so it's Mine Kaffee. And this device is actually a really beautiful way to, it's a word play. It's mine as in mining Bitcoin and coffee. So when you mine coffee, you're mining Bitcoin and you can warm your coffee. So that's a play on words on this one. If you want to get your own, I've included for you the link below where you can actually get it. And if you use the code George5, you get an additional discount. I highly encourage you to check it out. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to set it up.